Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out the W-4 form if you have 3 or multiple jobs. So this form tells your employer how much tax to take out of your paycheck, and filling it out correctly helps you avoid paying too much or too little at the end of the year. So let's go step by step. So first, go to step 1. So this part is very simple. Enter your basic information like your name, address, and social security number. Then choose your filing status. Just pick the one that matches your situation. Next, move to step 2, which is the most important part if you have multiple jobs. Since you have 3 or more jobs, you'll need to use multiple jobs worksheet, which is usually on page 3 of the form. So open that page and follow the table shown there. What you'll do is compare the income from your highest paying job with the others. Then find the matching amount in the table. After that, you'll add numbers together as instructed. So once you get the final amount from the worksheet, go back to step 4 on the main W-4 form. Enter the amount there. This tells your employer to withhold extra tax so everything stays balanced across all your jobs. Now, if you qualify, you can continue to step 3 to claim dependents, but only if it applies to you. If not, you can skip it. Then in step 4, you can make extra adjustments. For example, you can add other income deductions or request extra withholding. This step is optional, so only fill it out if needed. And finally, go to step 5, sign the date and the form. And that is it. Once it is signed, you can give it to your employer. And that's how you fill out the W-4 form when you have 3 or multiple jobs. Just make sure that you use the worksheet properly, since that's the key part for accurate withholding. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.